Hello, sir. My name is Urip Wahyudin. I am from class 723B07. I am a net class majoring in electrical engineering. I'll be presenting on adverb of frequency. Please wait a moment. Adverb of frequency. What is an adverb of frequency? Adverbs of frequency tell how often something happens. Example, always, usually, often, frequently, sometimes, rarely, never. And then, meaning of frequency. Frequently means often or many times. It describes an action that happens regularly or repeatedly. Example in sentence. Number one, I frequently visit my grandparents. And then she frequently reads English books. And number three, they they frequently go to the park. And number four, it frequently rains here in November. Position in a sentence. Before the main verb, she my example, she frequently eats breakfast early. After the verb to be, he is frequently late for class. Definite adverb of frequency. My example, daily, setiap hari, weekly, setiap minggu, monthly, setiap bulan, annually, setiap tahun, hourly, setiap jam, once a week, sekali seminggu, twice a month, dua kali sebulan, three times a year, tiga kali setahun, every day, setiap hari, every other day, setiap 2 hari sekali. And indefinite adverbs of frequency. Adverb of frequency jadi terbagi dua, indefinite and definite. Indefinite adverb of frequency. Contoh. My example, always, selalu, usually, biasanya, frequently, sering, often sering, sometimes, kadang-kadang, occasionally, sesekali, seldom, jarang, rarely, jarang, hard ever, hampir tidak pernah, never, tidak pernah. Indefinite adverbs of frequency. Indefinite adverbs of frequency memberikan gambaran umum tentang seberapa sering suatu tindakan terjadi tanpa menentukan waktu yang spesifik. Tapi umumnya jenis keterangan frekuensi ini bisa diperkirakan melalui persentase yang terbagi menjadi 5, yaitu number one, 100%. Adverb yang masuk dalam kategori ini menunjukkan sebuah aktivitas yang dilakukan setiap kali tanpa kecuali. My example, always, every time, and constantly. Constantly. And number two, 60% until 17%. Apabila ada suatu tindakan atau aktivitas yang sebagian besar sering terjadi, tapi tidak selalu dilakukan, maka gunakan adverb usually, often, normally, frequently, and regularly. And number three, 15%. Nah, untuk menyatakan kegiatan yang hanya terjadi sekitar 15% dari waktumu, contoh adverb yang bisa dipakai antara lain, sometimes, kadang-kadang, occasionally, seldom, and infrequently. Number four, 10% until 20%. Selanjutnya, terdapat adverb yang bisa membantumu untuk menyampaikan aktivitas yang sangat sering terjadi atau bahkan hampir tidak pernah dilakukan. My example adverbnya yaitu rarely and hardly ever. And number five, 0%. Adverb dalam kategori ini menunjukkan kejadian yang tidak pernah terjadi sama sekali. Contoh katanya yaitu never and not once. Frequency chart. Adverb always meaning 100. My example, I always brush my teeth. And number two, usually meaning 18%. My example, she usually walks to school. And number three, frequently meaning 17%. Example, they frequently play basketball. Number four, sometimes meaning 15%. Example, we sometimes eat out. And number five, rarely, meaning 20%. Example, he rarely watches TV. And number six, never, meaning 0%. Example, I never smoke. Summary, frequently, often or many times. And then tell how often something happens. And number three, comes before the main verb or after to be. Number one, adverb of frequency untuk kalimat verbal, yaitu dalam kalimat yang memiliki verb atau kata kerja, adverb of frequency ditempatkan sebelum verb utama. Rumusnya subject plus adverb of frequency plus verb. My example, she always eats breakfast at 7 a.m. atau jam 7 pagi. They often go to the park on weekends. And two, adverb of frequency dalam kalimat nominal. Kalimat nominal merupakan kalimat yang menggunakan to be, am, is, are, was, were. Pada pola ini, adverb of frequency ditempatkan setelah to be untuk menunjukkan frekuensi kondisi atau keadaan subjek. Rumus, subjek plus to be plus adverb of frequency. My example, he is always on time. And then, they are usually happy to help. Number three, adverb of frequency untuk penekanan. Untuk penekanan, adverb of frequency dapat ditempatkan di awal kalimat sebelum subjek untuk menonjolkan seberapa sering suatu tindakan yang dilakukan seseorang. Rumusnya, adverb of frequency plus subjek plus verb plus predikat subjek plus verb plus predikat plus adverb of frequency. My example kalimat, always, Alfie come late to the office. And then Rara meet her boyfriend once. 4. Adverb of frequency dalam kalimat tanya. Untuk membuat kalimat interrogatif, biasanya menggunakan how often yang diikuti oleh auxiliary, verb, do, does, did, subjek, dan verb utama. Contoh kalimat, how often do you visit your grandparents? Seberapa sering kamu mengunjungi kakek nenekmu? And then kamu juga bisa menggunakan pertanyaan langsung yang lebih simpel. Rumusnya auxiliary verb plus subject plus adverb of frequency plus verb plus predikat plus. My example kalimat. Do you often come here? Number five. Adverbs of frequency dengan modal verbs. Ketika menggunakan modal verb atau can, cold, will, would, should, must, atau auxiliary verbs have, has, am, is, are, was, were. Adverb of frequency ditempatkan setelah modal atau auxiliary verb dan sebelum verb utama untuk menunjukkan frekuensi tindakan. Rumusnya subject plus modal verb plus adverb of frequency plus main verb. Contoh kalimat. He can always find a solution to the problem. Atau dia selalu bisa menemukan solusi untuk masalah tersebut. And then they have never been to Paris. Mereka tidak pernah ke Paris. Number six. Adverbs of frequency dengan modal auxiliary verb. Sama seperti dengan modal verbs, dalam penggunaan auxiliary verbs, adverb of frequency ditempatkan antara auxiliary verb dan verb utama untuk menunjukkan seberapa sering tindakan dilakukan. Rumusnya subject plus auxiliary verb plus adverb of frequency plus main verb. My example kalimat. I have never visited Dubai. And then she has always enjoying reading book. That's probably all I can say. Thank you, sir. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Audio Jungle.